If you want to use the Pro mode on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all we need to of course open the camera. Now in the camera we should be able to slide all the way to the left side over here in order to find the Pro mode. In here we have these standard parameters that we can use to adjust our photos, how they should look like, what they should try to capture, and so on and so forth. So let me quickly elaborate on these options. First we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps you with low light conditions. But if you add too much ISO, if you have too high ISO, then you can add grain or noise to your photos. Of course, we just slide left and right to adjust the ISO, and you can tap on a letter in order to set it to automatic. There is the shutter option, which is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion as a result. And fast speeds freeze action. This option, of course, also can be set to automatic. EV is exposure. This is the only parameter that is completely manual. And this slider allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image. So it's a quick way to make your photos lighter or darker. There we go. The focus, of course, allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photos. If we move to the higher values, then the background will be sharp. But if we move to the left, then whatever is in front of the camera is going to be in a more sharper well, it is just going to be sharper compared to the rest of the background. And of course, we can set it to automatic. WB is the white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. If we move to the right, then we have warmer colors. If we move to the left, we have colder colors. And of course, in case you need some additional help, if you need some reminders about these parameters, you can actually tap on this eye icon that we have in the upper right corner, and here you also have explanation of these parameters. There's nothing much left that we can do in the Pro mode. Of course, there's also the histogram and focus peaking options, so you can check them out if you want to. However, they are not really necessary to use in order to make decent photos in the Pro mode. Leave a like and subscribe.